DoubleClick offers a suite of advertising solutions to help create, manage, and grow high-impact digital marketing campaigns. These solutions are collectively called the DoubleClick Digital Marketing Platform, or DDM. To help measure impact, you can integrate DDM reporting metrics directly into Google Analytics 360. These integrations add specific DoubleClick reports to analytics, as well as additional metrics and dimensions in standard reports. Let's look at which DoubleClick solutions integrate with Google Analytics 360. DoubleClick Campaign Manager, or DCM, is Google's third-party ad server and ad management system. Agencies and advertisers can use DCM to traffic media plans, upload creatives, and set ad serving rules. The DCM integration adds a new set of acquisition reports in analytics. These reports are similar to AdWords reports, but include impressions, clicks, and both view and click-through sessions. The integration also updates all other acquisition reports by separately breaking out DCM trafficked display advertising and enables DCM dimensions and metrics to be used throughout Analytics 360. DoubleClick Bid Manager, or DBM, is what's called a demand-side platform. DBM allows businesses to buy ad impressions at scale in real time. Basically, every time a web page loads with an available ad impression, a digital auction is held in milliseconds that evaluates a number of criteria to select which advertiser gets to display their ad. The DBM integration allows you to use Google Analytics data to define specific audiences so you can target those users with relevant ads. For example, the Google Merchandise Store could run a dynamic remarketing campaign that targets users who have visited a website more than 3 times, live in a particular city, and have subscribed to their promotional newsletter. Once integrated with Google Analytics, a new set of DBM reports appears in the acquisition section, showing site engagement and conversion metrics along with DBM dimensions. Updated acquisition reports break out DBM display advertising, and DBM dimensions and metrics can be used for analysis. DoubleClick Search, or DS, lets businesses manage search campaigns on Google AdWords, as well as other marketing platforms like Bing Ads, Yahoo Japan, and more. In DS, you can use bid strategies to find the most efficient spend for your advertising goals. The DS integration adds new reports to the acquisition section of Analytics 360, like the Engine Accounts report, which allows you to measure performance of ad clicks purchased across different search engines. It also allows you to use DS dimensions as secondary dimensions and in segments. DoubleClick offers a number of powerful ad-serving solutions to large advertisers. By integrating with Google Analytics 360, businesses can better measure the impact of targeted ads, optimize campaign performance, and make sure they get the best ROI across all channels.